Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine and safe at your homes. As you know, this is your maths period and I am your maths teacher Miss Faiza Tahir. And today is Friday and we are going to do mental maths today. So class, from name mental maths, you know it's a mind game and you have to solve your answers quickly in your mind. Okay? All you have to do is to do in your head. You have to do it in your mind, okay? So it's your lecture number 12 and for today our topic is division. So class, division comes from the name divide and divide means to equally distribute, to equally share something. So class, syllabus for division is division sums up to 80. Now class, I am giving you an example for your better understanding. There are 15 students in a class. Teacher wants to distribute 45 candies equally among all the students. How many candies will each student get? So class, it's a classroom and the strength of the class is 15. And teacher has 45 candies and teacher wants to distribute equally among all the students. So that no student will say that I got more and I got less. So class, how to solve it? I am giving you a trick to solve it. 45 by 15. So class, what you have to do? You have to make groups. I am making group of 15. As you all know, 3 into 5 or 5 into 3 is 15. So we will write 3 into 5. Now we will see 45 and 5 both are the multiples of 5. Both falls in the 5 times table. So we can cut both the values. 5 ones are 5 and 5 nines are 45. Now we have 9 by 3. 9 in the numerator and 3 in the denominator. So 9 and 3 both are the multiples of 3 and both falls in the 3 times table. So we can cut it. 3 ones are 3 and 3 threes are 9. So our answer is 3. So class, I have blackboard and I am doing it here for your better understanding. But you have to solve it. You have to quickly solve it in your mind. You have to do all this in your head and remember all the values in your mind. Okay students? Now class, here you can see 45 candies and our answer was 3. Now we will make 3 groups to see whether there are 15 groups of 3. Now 1, 2, 3 first group, 1, 2, 3 second group, 1, 2, 3 third group, 1, 2, 3 4 groups. Now these are 4 groups. Again count 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. Now again count 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now again count 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. Now it's first group 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and it's 15. So class, there are 15 groups of 3. इसका मतलब है कि हमारा आंसर बिल्कुल सही था. ठीक है? So class, I am giving you one more example which is reduced into lowest term and the example is 64 divided by 16. So class, how to solve it? I am giving you another trick. You have to see that both the values in the numerator and denominator are the multiples of the same number. Like 64 and 16 both are the multiples of 2, both are the multiples of 4, and both are the multiples of 8. 2, 4 and 8, ये दोनों वैल्यूज़ जो हैं 64 और 16, 2, 4, 8 तीनों के टाइम्स टेबल में फॉल करती हैं. नाउ इट्स अप टू यू whether you choose 2, 4 or 8 to convert it into lowest term. I am choosing 8. 8 into 2 is 16, so our answer is 2, and 8 into 8 is 64, so our answer is 8. Now class, we have 8 by 2. Now we will look 8 by 2 are multiples of same number. So 8 and 2 both falls in the both are the multiples of 2 and both falls in the 2 times table. Now 2 into 4, 2 into 4 is 8. So our answer is 4. 2 4s are 8, and 2 into 1 is 2. 2 1s are 2. So our answer is 1. So 4 by 1 is equal to 4. Class, I am sorry, and you have to do quickly in your mind. You have to calculate the answers in seconds in your mind. Okay class? So to solve it quickly, you have to do more and more practice at your home. Okay? Because more practice, then more practice, and then more practice will make your mental maths superb. Okay? So you have to do more and more calculations in your mind. Okay? Don't think you are not using electronic device. Your mind is also much more than an electronic device. Okay? So use your mind. And here I have given some questions here. All you have to do more and more practice, and you have to solve it in your mind. आपने इसको कॉपी पे सॉल्व नहीं करना, ये आपका कोई कॉपी वर्क नहीं है. इट्स नॉट योर कॉपी वर्क. यू हैव टू जस्ट सॉल्व इट, कैलकुलेट इट इन योर माइंड. It's your starting. You will take more time to solve, but after more practice you will solve more and more questions of bigger values in seconds. Okay? So what is the key point behind mental maths is practice, and just practice. Solve your answers quickly in your mind. Okay? Do more and more practice at your home. Thank you beta. Take care. Allah Hafiz.